Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Measure everything before you start. Use 2 cups sugar, 1 cup corn syrup, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup butter, and 1 cup heavy cream. Keep a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla at hand and prepare an ice bath for utensils. Prepare a buttered 9x9-inch pan and parchment for cooling. Set a reliable candy thermometer, arrange a wooden spoon and heat-proof spatula, and assign a timer. Caramel taffy requires precise timing, steady heat, and all ingredients within reach to prevent burning and crystallization. Combine sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy saucepan and warm over medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Stir until sugar dissolves, then stop and avoid crystallization, wiping down sides with a wet pastry brush if needed. Clip the candy thermometer and cook undisturbed to 245 degrees F, 118 degrees C for softball stage. This will take about 10-20 minutes depending on heat. Remove from heat. Stir in butter and cream. Then pour into the buttered 9x9-inch pan and cool 20 minutes until tacky but still pliable. When the mixture is cool enough to handle but still warm, butter hands lightly and pull until the taffy turns light and glossy, aerating the candy for chewiness. Work quickly. Fold and stretch repeatedly for 5-10 minutes, then form a rope and flatten to about 3/4-inch thickness before cutting. Cut into 1-inch pieces and wrap each in wax paper to prevent sticking. Store in an airtight container up to 2 weeks at room temperature, or refrigerate for longer shelf life and recondition by warming briefly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.